Alright, here we go, boys. So let's see. I'm gonna speed this up just because there's nothing to see. And this is. So watch this. So I'm heading over towards it, right? That's a smart move on my part. So let's see. Let's see what happens. And we get a spot here in just a second. Watch this. This is pretty cool. And so, speeding up, we got a battle group going over towards C. And then, yeah, wait for it. Yep, there he is. So it's like the aircraft carrier coming right up the middle. I don't know why. They got a miss. So I take a blind shot at him, right where I thought he might be. And then, let's see, so there's nothing really happening here. So we miss him, first shot. And again, aircraft carrier coming right up the middle. Not sure why he's doing this. It's like dodgeball, right? It's a bold move, cop. Let's see how it works out. Comes right up the middle. I can't hit him. I can't hit the right side of the barn here, which is really, really freaking annoying. But here we are. I mean, it's literally an aircraft carrier going straight ahead. I'm obviously the worst marksman.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
In the Navy. Drunken Sailor. Like I finally ate 2 hits. Okay. That's good. That's a start. Right, let's see. Let's see if I can get another shot off at him. Again, I don't know why. I don't know what this dude is doing. I get smoked before my shells even get there, so that kind of stinks. So, you're gonna see
our team is taking the lead.
Tell you something, boys. You're gonna see some very, very impressive. Very impressive.
Enemy battleship detected.
This is very impressive work. Ridiculous, man. I'm missing left and right. Like, I feel terrible about this. It's just, there's no way to finish this. It's just not good.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Let's see. And then I decided to go around these islands, and I'm sure that I thought this was like the most brilliant move possible, and then I actually did it. I can tell you right now, this was just terrible. I'm sorry, my teammates. I'm sorry, guys. I really am. It's absolutely horrific gameplay. I don't know what I was doing over here. Just trying to. I got nothing. I'm in a battleship going all the way around these stupid islands. This was just dumb. I really should probably not have done this. No, it's not good. Meanwhile, my teammates are busy doing work. Doing work! They're in Section A. I'm over here. I'm basically on like a pleasure cruise. I don't know what I'm doing here. This is just terrible. I'm sorry, guys. I really am. So let's see if we can try to get a shot off for somebody else is over here. So let's see. Again, don't know why. I don't know why. I got nothing. Guys. So that's
All stations. stations, requesting fire on the designated...
Let's see if we can get him.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic...
Oh,
Affirmative.
crap. I'm gonna tell those guys affirmative. I can help you. I'm only 2 islands away. Oh man. I have a battleship here. Not mine. This other dude. I think he rams them. I'm not exactly sure because can't exactly see it.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
Oh, that's another Montana. Oh, he probably smoked him.
Our victory is in sight.
Yeah, I'm not sure what happened there. Maybe he took me. I got some.
Enemy battleship sighted.
So. That guy was done before my rounds even got there.
Our victory is in sight.
So, what are you gonna do? Let's see here. I'm trying to shoot this. Okay, I actually got a couple shots over here. Hold on. He went overfed. But I guess he was almost dead anyways. So this, I actually put in some good work here. So check this little maneuver out. All right, I finally get myself into the battle because I'm literally all the way behind this stupid island. And then yeah, let's see, coming around, right? Because I'm a battleship, man. I don't know what I was thinking. No idea what I was thinking going all the way around that. And look, my guy over here, he Gladiator calls me out. I should have been behind the island. I'm sorry, dude. I really am. I feel bad about it a little bit. Like, not that it matters too much, but you know how it goes. I feel kind of bad about it. So, let's see how we do here. Here we go. Alright, so, I've got yeah. Looks like they got 3 guys coming towards me. Cruiser, what do we got? Cruiser. Battleship, 2 battleships. And I've got trying to get some rounds on them here as we're closing the range. And I got 1 shot on him. Great. So, nothing massive. Okay, now I asked for help, right? Because I was busy screwing around behind that stupid island the whole time. And now I need help, so, alright. Let's see. This dude's about to get smoked by some torpedoes. So he gets... Boom, he takes him. That's nice work by that destroyer. Whoever that dude was. Nice hit. Now let's see. I'm coming up. I got 2 battleships coming at me, right? I got a cruiser to my left. That's one of mine, friendly. And I got that destroyer that's running for dear life, which is understandable. So I think I'm going to try and keep them both to my left. You know, so I can have my guns, because right, if I split them, my guns won't, I can't shoot in both directions at once. So I'm going to try and keep them, you know, as bow on as possible, right? And let's see. So we'll start healing, getting ate up by the secondaries. Trying to stay as bow on as possible. Wishing my secondaries would fire a little faster, but here we are. I got 1 penetration on that one, you know, not a Citadel, so that kind of stinks. Bringing my butt around to fire. All right, so that was a good shot, right? Bringing my back around. And now I think what I'm doing, I guess I just decided to go mano-y-mano with this dude. I was like, screw it, we'll just go broadside like old school. So he got me He got me pretty good there, not gonna lie. And then, look, the 3 Citadel shots coming off the back end, off the stern guns, that was pretty killer, gotta admit. Pretty happy with that, right? 92,000 damage. And this is what stinks about World of Warships, though, right? So it's like, okay. Got a pretty good score there. Did pretty well on my team. There's the guy that yelled at me. He's down at the bottom. Sorry, buddy. And then, okay, again, pretty good report here. All right, did pretty well. And then you're like, oh, I lost whatever they are, doubloons or credits or stupid whatever. Thanks a lot, guys. So, yeah, here we are. All right, see you guys next time.